subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Hello. In this video, we will discuss in brief the life and works of John Millington Synge. John Millington Synge was born on 16th April 1871 at Neverton Villas, Dublin in Ireland. He was the son of John Has Synge and Kathleen Traill. His father, John Has Synge, was a barrister and a landed gentry. He was educated at home and then in schools at Dublin. Later, he went to Trinity College and studied language and history. He also learned music at the Royal Irish Academy of Music. After graduating in 1892, he went to Germany in 1993 to study music. In 1894, he returned to Ireland to pursue his literary career. John lost his faith in religion when he was about 18 years old and stopped to attend the family church. During that time, he met Cherry Matheson and proposed her, but she rejected his proposal on religious grounds. In 1896, when he was in Paris, he met Yeats, who suggested him to stay in Aran Islands and then return to Dublin. In 1889, he formed the Irish National Theatre Society, which later on became Abbey Theatre. He died of cancer on 24th March 1909 at the age of 37. Synge started his dramatic career with The Shadow of Galen, performed in 1903 at the Abbey Theatre. The play earned much criticism by the audience because it offended Irish national sentiments. The well-known political personalities like Mountgarden and Arthur Griffith walked out of the theatre in protest. He produced another play in 1904 under the title Riders to the Sea. In 1905, he produced his first three-act play under the title The Well of Saints. The Playboy of the Western World was produced in 1907, which was followed by The Tinker's Wedding in 1908. His Diada of Sorrows, an incomplete play in three acts, was performed in 1910. When the Moon Has Set was published in the Collected Works of Synge in 1968. Apart from plays, he also wrote poems and translations in 1909. His books written in prose are The Aran Islands, In Wicklow, West Kerry, and Connemara.